Dear friends, I have pleasure in taking part in this seminar on family welfare and growth of the country. We all know that the development of the country depends on the welfare and forward movement of its people. The government, therefore, should take care of the families. I have no doubt that this is an interesting subject at the present moment. When we talk of family welfare, we have to take into account the financial position of the families living not only in the towns and cities but also in the distant parts. You know that people in towns and cities are mostly employed by several organizations, manufacturers and offices in which they get paid every month. But these people living in distant parts have to depend mostly on agriculture. They get paid only when there is work, and during the other months they have no regular work. Of course, the government have started some industrial houses in these areas also, which provide them employment opportunities. If we wish to improve the conditions of living of these people, we should establish more and more industries away from the towns and cities. It should be remembered that the boys and girls of today are going to be the future leaders of the country. It is therefore necessary that they should be not only healthy and strong, but should also be given good education. It is the responsibility of every one of us to state that the advantages of having a small family. The spirit of unity among the people in the country should start from the family itself. If we are together like a family, then only we can be peaceful and can move forward. With these few words, I would like to end my short talk and wish this seminar all success. Dear sirs, we shall be glad to know whether you can make a clear offer for the purchase of the machinery which we informed you to our last letter and which you later called here to inspect. Our chief engineer gave to you at the time the details in respect of the working of the machine. The whole of this machinery is now nearing completion, and we are ready to keep the same for you, provided you will take the first opportunity of purchasing. Our anxiety to hear further from you is owing to the fact that we have just now received offers from some others. We look forward to your reply at an early date. Thanking you, yours faithfully.